Hi students, let's find the value of 2 raised to the power 14 minus 1 is equal to what? Now it is quite difficult to find the value of 2 raised to the power 14. You have to multiply 2 14 times and it is a tedious task. So let's simplify it. So let's take the numbers 2 raised to the power 14 minus 1. Okay, can you write it in the way 2 raised to the power 14 minus 1 raised to the power 14. Now, please note that whatever power you give to 1, it remains the same, 1. 1 is multiplied however many times, it will stay 1. So we can use this conversion. Now students, can we write 2 raised to the power 7 multiplied by 2? So 14 can be broken into 7 multiplied by 2. This is what I have done here. And then minus 1 raised to the power 7 multiplied by 2. Now apply this formula. A raised to the power m multiplied by n can be written as a raised to the power m then whole raised to the power n. Similarly, what we are going to use here is 2 raised to the power 7 whole raised to the power 2 minus this term 1 raised to the power 7 whole raised to the power 2. Now the next step is, it is 2 raised to the power 7 whole raised to the power 2 minus 1 raised to the power 7 is 1, so 1 raised to the power 2. Now it looks in the form of another formula, that is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. As you can see, 2 raised to the power 7 behaves like a and 1 is your b. So now just apply this formula. By applying this formula, we will have the next step as follows. It will become 2 raised to the power 7 plus 1, instead of b I am writing 1, multiplied by 2 raised to the power 7 minus, from here minus b is your 1. Now trust me, this becomes quite easy, because when you had to calculate 2 raised to the power 14, it was a tedious task. But here, now you have to find the value of 2 raised to the power 7. So that is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 7 times. Alright, so let's multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, and 64 2s are 128. So the value of 2 raised to the power 7 is 128. And then we have plus 1. And again 2 raised to the power 7 is 128 minus 1. And once we add, we have 128 plus 1 is 129. And 128 minus 1 is 127. Now you can simply multiply these two numbers. I leave it for you to multiply and you will get the answer. Thank you.